Basically, this machine is nakaset na siya at 4 kilohertz. So, meaning, this is primarily for pain management. So, dili pa din for muscle stimulation. So, 4 kilohertz. And then, also, nakaset na siya at a spectrum program of 6/6 nga triangular. So, primarily for acute. Okay? So, 6 seconds mo rise ang current and 6 seconds mo go down. So 4 kilohertz, 6/6 triangular. So basically, this has also two uses for ultrasound and for IFC. So IFC would be kani siya nga figure. Okay, so nakaset na siya at IFC. And then you have your on and off na switch. So basically, this is for the on. So makabalo ka guys nga na-charge na siya because mo stay ang iyahang light. Kaya kanina blink-blink pag sa lobat mo siya. Ay, sorry. Sir, basta mo ba? Sir, ba? Ikaw na lang, sir.
Oo, buto gani.
Oo.
Kira. Boom. Ingamin na. Okay.
Okay, so on and off na switch, and then IFC, and then this one is for your base AMF. So you already know from sa diri na ranges, you have chronic, and then in between subacute and greater na frequencies for acute. Okay, so basically mas intense ang sensation na ma-feel sa patient sa diri nga ranges as compared sa higher. Okay, mas finer siya diri. And then next, you have the sweep frequency, this one. Basically, again, to prevent accommodation. Okay, kani siya nga, kanang button here. And then, the last would be your milliamperes, you have your intensity. Okay, intensity. And then, this one would be the display for your time, which would be change here. So you just move the switch 2 minutes and then decrease or increase the time. Okay, example, let's have 5 minutes and then naka-display. Then do not touch this one and this one. As well as do not move to watts per cm squared and watts. Okay, that is for ultrasound. Okay, like this one, dili pa here, and this one. Okay, mark siya guys. Okay, you can practice this one. Base, this one, IFC base AMF, sweep frequency, intensity, the time, and then on. Wala.
Okay.
Okay?